Yes.
true 1930s Prohibition recipe. So we use four ingredients: water, sugar, rye, and yeast. That's exactly what they used back in the day. Where nowadays they use different chemicals, alpha amyloids, anything that they can use to produce the alcohol. Where we actually do it exactly how they did it back in the day, where we feed the yeast with the sugar. So we use four ingredients: water, sugar, rye, and yeast. We have a special strain of yeast that we use throughout Carroll, where they're the only ones that can grow it for us, but it works the best for us, and they also are organic certified. So being organic certified, you have to go onto their field for over 4 years, that the federal government does, and they can test your soil anytime throughout that and make sure that you're using everything organic. So we've passed through that. So we're 100% certified organic.
So I just want to pause for a second because
Oh,
this
no
is actually
problem.
something I'm learning right now. This is
Yeah.
not an efficient, this is not a max cost efficient process. What you're describing, I just have to use a pun on your name
Yeah.
because
No
there's no
problem. Yeah.
chemicals, no chemicals. You're, I mean, this is prohibitively expensive, from my understanding,
Yeah,
to
everything
create.
has to be certified organic. So when they go on there, you can't use any pesticides. You can't use anything on their entire field. So they scheduled out a certain part of their field for us for their rye. So it's certified organic. And once it's done with that, the feds can go out there anytime and check it. So yeah, like you were saying, you can't just go out to a dirt field and check it. Yeah.
There's no, but what you said is that there's no chemicals, so the yeast is going to be, no matter what you do, is going to be less efficient on the sugar molecules.
Well,
The whole
the yeast
process,
is later on, but yeah.
what you described
For the,
over here, is a craft.
yeah,